Looking for the best eco-friendly cleaning products to keep your home fresh while protecting the planet? We've rounded up top-rated, non-toxic, and sustainable options that actually work. Our channel brings you quality product reviews daily to help you make smarter choices. Stay tuned to find the perfect green cleaning solutions for your home. Number 1. Grove Collaborative Essential Cleaner Concentrates Set. Grove Company. Cleaning concentrates are available in a 3-pack. You'll get all-purpose, glass, and tub-and-tile cleaners. Dump the contents into 16-ounce bottles, also on Grove's site, and fill them with water. I especially like the glass cleaner, which works better than Windex and smells nicer. This high-performance multi-surface cleaner spray cuts 2x more grease than other natural brands. Our surface cleaning solution is thoughtfully formulated with 92% plant-based ingredients crafted to be sustainably powerful. Grove Company. Products are crafted to reduce plastic waste and be sustainably powerful for a clean and healthy home and planet. We use recycled materials such as glass, aluminum, and paper to help keep plastic waste out of your home and landfills. Number 2. Jaws Ultimate Cleaning Kit. JAWS stands for Just Add Water System, and that holds up. The refills are pods you twist onto proprietary bottles. Add water, twist in a refill, and your solutions are mixed up. These cleaners smell like traditional cleaning products, and the bottles are a little curvaceous. That means they can be a bit awkward to store. But there are a few unique cleaners that JAWS includes in this starter kit, like a granite cleaner and a general disinfectant. JAWS refillable spray bottles and refills reduce plastic waste by 83% versus traditional spray bottles. Color-coded microfiber. Avoid cross-contamination with 7 microfiber color-coded cloths for maximum cleaning, scrubbing, and polishing results. EPA Safer Choice. 5 of the 6 cleaners are EPA Safer Choice recognized, including the glass, kitchen, hardwood, shower, and granite. The disinfectant is not an EPA Safer Choice recognized product. Number 3. Scrub Daddy Scrub Mommy. I didn't want to love this extremely popular, cheery sponge, but it lives up to the hype. The shape and texture make it weirdly effective for scrubbing, wiping, and suds. I use it for everything from doing my dishes to cleaning my floors. It's also more durable than other similarly priced sponges. While the sponge itself isn't especially sustainable, Scrub Daddy products are recyclable, making them a better option than sponges you'd throw away. Scrub Mommy is a 2-sided sponge, with each side performing a different role. Use the flex texture side to scrub off debris, then flip it and use the soft resofoam side to soak up liquids and wipe the surface dry. Scrub Mommy's flex texture side becomes firm in cold water for tough scrubbing and soft in warm water for light cleaning. A versatile design means she's the right tool for every job. Scrub Mommy is a non-scratch dual-sided sponge that is safe to use on over 24 different surfaces, including glass, stainless steel, cast iron, and non-stick coatings. Number 4. Marley's Monsters Unpaper Towels 12-pack. These bright cotton flannel towels are durable and absorbent. They get even more absorbent after a few washes. They also cling together, so you can roll them up on a cardboard tube, just like the paper alternatives. Note that the clinginess means they attract lint and dust pretty easily, so be prepared to wash them often. But still, if you're trying to go zero waste, these are one good way to do that. Embrace sustainability without compromising on quality. Join the countless families who have made the switch to Yun paper towels and experience the difference for yourself. Yun paper towels are soft, absorbent, and ready to tackle any mess with style. With proper care, Yun paper towels can last for years. Embrace a zero-waste lifestyle with reusable alternatives that are gentle on the planet and your wallet. Mom-tested, kid-approved. Eco-friendly alternative. Reduce waste and embrace sustainability with reusable Yun paper towels, crafted from premium 100% cotton flannel. Number 5. Defunkify Stain Remover Spray. Defunkify's laundry stain remover enzymes clean deep within fabric fibers to eliminate the grass stains, spills, and heavy residue left behind by other spot treaters. As a scent-free laundry cleaning spray, all-natural old odor eliminator and set-in stain remover ingredients, and learn more at Defunkify. And using only powerful bio-based non-toxic ingredients, Defunkify's pure, free and clear, unscented stain remover spray for laundry is free of synthetic fragrances, benzene, phthalates, chlorine, brighteners, and more.